Oh yeah. Hey, we are back. Hey yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. I appreciate all my subscribers, man. Y'all do your thing. I see y'all. You know what I mean? The views getting up, the subscribers getting up. I'm gonna be up there one day because of y'all, and I appreciate y'all. Just know that. You know what I'm saying? All right. Hey, if you wanna watch this video right here, you know what I'm saying? By any means, if you don't like my commentary, go ahead and click on this card right here to the top right. Bam. Okay. You know what I'm saying? This video right here is about, you know what? God damn it, I forgot. Well, we gonna watch it live though, you know what I'm saying? I promise you I forgot. Hey, let's just get at it.
Police respond to a single vehicle crash and find the driver, who immediately resists medical aid, yells slurs at the police, and intentionally spits on the officer while still seated in the vehicle.
Another Karen.
Hello.
What?
What?
I don't know. I'm not saying anything anyway.
You just said what? We're here because you hit a
Who are you?
I'm the police.
Perfect. Or do you special?
Where are you coming from tonight?
I don't know. Who are you?
What does my chest say? It says police. You're being rude.
Bro, don't talk to me.
You're being rude.
Don't talk to me, bro.
Don't talk to me.
Special. You like a...
There's no doubt. She is slushed, hammered, wasted.
Big boy, are you? Okay.
Let her know. You're going down a road you don't want to go down.
I don't even know who you are.
It says police.
Who are you?
Look.
Perfect. You think
Police.
you're special? Tough guy? I know who the f you are.
Who am I?
Get out my face.
Who am I?
Get out my face.
Who
You're
am
a
I?
special guy, aren't you? Get out my face, bro. Get out my face. Tough guy, get out my face. What? Get out my face.
Hey, I want to know something. Why when females get drunk, they hate men? Why would y'all get drunk? Y'all think y'all can fight man, cuss man? Y'all hate every man around. This is the time you're supposed to be loving us. This is the time you're supposed to, you know what I mean?
Think you're special? I'm gonna fucking see the fuck out of you. Get out my face. Get out my face. Get out my face.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Perfect, go.
I'm gonna take a sugar real quick.
Perfect, go for it.
Just need your finger.
I don't like him. Get out my face.
Alright.
Too bad.
You're a fucking tough guy, aren't you?
Too bad.
You're gonna get fucking sued and you're gonna...
And they always pick that one cop that they hate forever.
It's your job,
I
bro.
don't even know you.
Just like that.
No, get that stuff from me, please. I don't like you, bro.
I don't even know you.
What? You don't?
No.
Perfect, because I don't know you either. I'm sorry for this, but I don't like him.
I don't
You're
know
a tough
you.
guy. Powerpuff guy, aren't you?
I don't even know you.
Powerpuff guy, aren't you?
I'm so confused.
They're trying to get
Yeah, I
an
hope you are,
identification.
because I'm going to shoot the fuck out of you, bro.
Good.
I can't wait. I can't wait to see the fuck out of you. I can't wait.
Do you have diabetes?
Tough guy, little Powerpuff
okay.
dude.
Do you have
Little
diabetes?
dick bandit.
They're checking her blood
Can't
sugar.
wait for your fucking ass to get sued. Please sue the fuck out of me. I can't wait to sue the fuck.
You got an AIR?
What?
Yeah. Go get it.
Yeah, go get it. Go get it, Powerpuff dude. Go get it.
Get sugar on it.
Guy, you're so fucking... You're a piece of shit. And I know you know who I am.
No, I don't.
Let's put up the crazy
No, you know who I am.
Who are you?
You're a fucking piece of shit.
I don't know what that
You
means.
know exactly who I am. You're my fucking best friend, my brother's best friend.
Who?
I know what the fuck you are. Don't. No? Not happening.
Bro.
Are you
You have to check your blood sugar.
There it is. There it is.
You just spit on me.
No, I didn't.
You just spit on me.
No, I did not.
You literally just spit on me.
You didn't fucking
You
sue
literally
me.
just spit on me.
Perfect. No, I did not. That's fine. I did not.
Get out, my car.
That's fine. I did not.
So nice.
I'm not saying it, guys.
Oh, stop.
Oh, I can't wait.
They don't even try.
That's fine. It's a girl, right? Are you a girl? Perfect. I know who you are. Good. I know who you are. Are you telling me right now? You're fucked, bro.
She's trying to beat up the officers. You need to be trying to beat up diabetes.
Look at these guys.
Trying to
I'm
beat
telling you
that.
right now.
Hit the gym, lose the fat, burn the sugar.
Please do this. Please do this. Please do this. I'm telling you right now. Guys are
Let them check your blood sugar.
I'm talking to you, bro.
I'm talking
I'm
to
talking
you.
to you.
She just spit on me. So.
Oh, I didn't.
You literally
Is
just
this
spit
on-
on me.
is this
It's
on
on me.
camera?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I can't wait. This is
Yes.
Did I really? Oh, you're getting sued, bro.
I'm getting sued because you spit on me.
You're fucking damn right I am.
You want to check her blood sugar real quick, bro?
Shouts out to Suzanne Boyle.
Please do.
Check it in, bro.
Every time somebody say Sue, Suzanne Boyle pop up in the bottom right.
Don't fucking touch me, bro. Please do, Mr. Tough Guy. Please do. Please do with your fucking thing. Please do.
What's that?
Straight to jail or you want an ambulance?
She's gonna have to go to the hospital regardless because she was in an accident.
Don't fucking touch my tit, you fucking. I know who you are. You think you're a fucking tough guy with your tattoos? You think you're a tough guy? You think you're a tough guy?
You're
You think you're a tough guy?
ridiculous, bro.
She thought she could get away with it with that tactic. Fail.
Yeah. And I know you know who I am.
Who are you?
Because you saw me at the booking area. Fuck with me, bro.
Who?
Fuck with me.
Who?
Fuck with you, bitch.
Stop.
You.
Stop or you're gonna get wrapped up.
I don't give a f. I fucking will sue the fuck out of you. Stop it.
Stop.
I hate you. And you know what the fuck I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. You think you're a fucking tough guy. You think you're a tough guy.
Relax.
I don't give a fuck. You think you're a tough guy?
Relax, bro.
I don't know why she hates the hell out of him.
I'm a cool guy. I can fucking do this to women. You think I'm joking? You think I got tattoos and everything?
Stop.
You're a fucking piece of shit, bro. You're a piece of shit. You think you're cool, don't you?
You got your gloves, you can search it.
Yeah. I'm a cool guy. I'm a cool guy. Cool, do it. You ain't gonna find nothing, bitch. You ain't gonna find nothing. Touch me, touch me. I will sue the fuck out of you. I'm gonna fucking get you too, bitch. You think I'm joking? I'm gonna fucking get you, bitch.
Relax.
Fuck you, bitch. You don't think I'm gonna
Oh, don't let the female come in. She's gonna definitely hate the female.
get you? I promise you I'm gonna get you. I promise you I'm gonna get you. I promise you. You ain't gonna find nothing. I promise you I'm gonna get you.
And she allegedly hit something down there too. So.
Oh, fuck you. I should fucking hit you, bitch.
Please stop.
No, you're a fucking piece of shit. You think you're cool? You think you're a tough guy? He thinks he works all of you motherfuckers. He thinks he's got you. Look at you right there. He thinks he has you. He's like, fuck, how you know my name? How you know my name?
Because it's on your tag.
Bitch, you think you're a cool guy. You think you're a cool guy. Shut the fuck up. Fucking shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You think you're somebody. You ain't gonna find shit.
She got anything on her?
Nothing. I got shit. Me. Nothing, bitch. Nothing.
That's what you're going to do.
You know all your friends, all these motherfucking beautiful. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you.
Relax.
I ain't done nothing to you, bro.
This is hammered.
No, you were fine until you spit on me, bro.
Yo, we're too grown to be drinking and driving, man, and then getting this damn wasted. I know you might take a little sip or something and get behind the wheel still, but damn, there's a limit. You know what I mean? Like, you know what it takes for you to get slushed.
I'll spit on you again.
Well, too late.
Just kidding.
Too late. Can you hang on with her real quick? Yeah. I've never seen her before. She seems to know me.
Apparently she knows you, and she does not like the way you looked at her.
Fair.
With your powder puff, though.
Yeah.
Tough guy.
I was like, dang, powder. I don't have one. Just keep your body camera on. She's fine.
I have sued, and I will you like that.
If you keep acting up, I'm gonna wrap you up in a fucking wrap because you're being ridiculous. So
Keep talking.
you keep talking. I'm gonna keep talking.
Time out. What'd you say?
I said if you touch any of these nurses, these doctors who are here to help you, you're gonna catch an additional charge. You're going to jail for a felony right now. I've literally never seen her before.
Yeah, she done leveled up.
Fucking take it off. Here. What are you gonna do?
We're getting you med cleared.
So let me get this straight. Let me get this correct. The minute y'all hate a man, his dick just shrink. She just said he has a little dick.
Can't wait. Yeah, I feel bad for you too. I would feel bad if
I know y'all was warlock wizards and all that.
I was you too. Because you're a little dick bandit, aren't you?
See?
Touch me. You're my best friend's brother, aren't you? You're a fucking good shit. I didn't spit, but I can pretend.
She had a crush on her best friend's brother or something. That's why she's so angry.
You're wild, I'm somebody.
Get rejected.
I have a teenage. Letting me know And he said that you're a piece of shit. What you gonna do, bitch?
Relax, dude.
Get the fuck out of my face.
The individual was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and 2 counts of resisting following her arrest. However, a CT scan revealed a small brain tumor that doctors stated was responsible for her violent emotional outbursts. Due to this unique medical finding, the prosecutor officially dropped all charges.
Well, see? Slap on the wrist. Back out there in the street again. Do it again. But, yeah, I hope she get over that little tumor thingy. I don't know. Hope she, get the correct procedure done and it's gone. You know what I mean? Hey, but yeah, lesson of the day. Do not drink and drive. Stop being foolish. Yeah, I know you ain't supposed to be doing that out here. Alright? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel right here. They're the ones that provided the video. Y'all go show them some love. Watch some more videos over there. And go ahead and check out and subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video. And don't forget to check out my Crazy Clock playlist on my channel. Alright? Peace. Love y'all. Out. Got more videos for y'all.